Hi everyone, in this video we're going to review how to make a crank assembly. I'm going to go through the steps one by one to give a quick overview. I start off with a sketch and I start to create each part of this crank assembly. So it's all created with sketches. I start off with the base. It's got a base and a little attachment there. More sketches. This is going to create a little dowel. Another sketch for the arm. I use the press and pull to extrude that up. More sketches. Another extrusion. And on this last one, I create a revolve to create a little handle. Then I go through, I add some fillets. I've added materials to each of these. Then you can see I've got these all as separate bodies, and I've given them each a name. I do a move command to move a couple of these together. So the arm and this pivot come together. Then I turn that into, I turn this arm into a component. And then I drag and drop so that there are two parts to this component. So I have the arm and the pivot in one component. Then I turn the other bodies one by one into components. They move from the bodies folder down here into a component. I do that for all of these. Then I come back and I add joins. And I join these together piece by piece. And this little push pin, I ground the bottom. And now I've got an assembly. And I can turn the crank. And there it is, the crank assembly. Just a quick overview of what we're going to do here.